Good morning, guys. I want to lunch. I'm hungry, guys.
Para kay Riz.
So,
Hindi niya alam ba
Calm.
Hindi naman nagbabara.
super hungry me. So,
Saka hindi siya maano kasi.
I'm lunch, Mom.
Anong lunch, Chris?
I'm hungry.
Snacks kapag gabi.
I'm
Kuha
hungry.
ka na doon. Alam mo na kung paano.
Okay. My mom is Tagalog, so I did know. Speak. Where is the snack? I don't have a snack. Okay, guys, here. Oh. My mom is Tagalog, so I don't know what speak it. Mom!
Na ospital na yan. Tapos parang
Mom!
niyakap niya na yung sakit niya din. Hindi na siya nagkikikilo. You wash your hands.
Myself. Mom, what is that?
Oh, Riz. Magpalit ka
What
na
do
ng
you
t-shirt,
speak?
ma'am.
Are you Tagalog?
Kumuha ka ng lalagyan.
What? Okay. I do it myself.
Punasan mo, ha? Punasan
Yes.
mo.
I do it myself. Ouch. Where's my ears? Okay, guys. So, snack. I'm so hungry. Okay, guys, let's eat.
Wala. No choice siya.
And I wash my hands. Wait for me.
Riz, magpalit ka ng lalagyan.
I put it in there. Okay, wait for me.
Kakain kasi siya dito. Kasi may air.
Okay, guys, I wash my hands. Okay, guys. It's beautiful. Please look at them. It's a beautiful. Oh, so cute bubbles. I washed it. Okay, I'm done. I need the tissue. Where's the tissue? Oh, right there. Okay, guys, I'm done. So let's eat. Let's eat.
11 na ang
guys.
bukas ng mall ngayon, ano?
Let's eat.
Bili lang, tapos uwi na tayo. Katulog tayo ng tanghal. Sana.
I eat. It's very yummy. I eat second cookies. Mmm. Mmm. So yummy. Super hard this cookie.
Nagets na yung logic, eh. Sige, dun mo.
Okay, I'm done to second cookies.
Sa mat yan, eh.
Now I eat this
Ang naka-assign dyan,
this
ah.
third cookie. Let's eat. Oh, it's so yummy.
Damit ko at shoes mo. Damit ko at shoes mo.
Okay guys, here's my keychain. So messy. This cookie is super hard, so let's eat the fourth cookie. Let's eat. Super yummy. Guys, super yummy. This is my table. Guys, super cool. Here's my mirror. Here. Super beautiful. And my face. Let's eat the fifth cookie. Let's eat. That's very yummy. Okay, let's eat the sixth cookie. Oh, so yummy. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yummy. Guys, so yummy. So I'm gonna eat, guys. So I'm gonna eat then the cookie. And finally, okay guys, I'm drink the water. I'm best. Oh, I'm lost. Wait, guys. Mom, open it. Please.
Kulang pa to?
Yes.
Tigang ko.
Thank you, Mom. Okay, guys. I'm waiting for my